My experience of Hult Prize Foundation was, a very enormous one. So because it started with this nervousness inside because we did not know how to proceed with it, but then we ended up joining. We ended up joining the campus round. We ended up winning it, and it was a pleasurable experience because we actually created something. We actually created a product. We sold it, we pitched it to a jury there, and now we'll be going for the online round for the regionals in Melbourne. Hult Prize has been a part of NIT University since a long time. So what happened was we have a proper association for Hult Prize, we have proper organizers for it. And what happened was we got a mail and we decided to enroll. We together as friends made a team. We decided on a product because it was food for thought. So we made a product based on it, and it involved packaging and everything. We brainstormed. The basic thing was we sat down, we discussed marketing, we discussed how to maintain a product and everything. And then we came on this just a night before. You won't imagine this, just a night before we came on this product, and we formulated it in a night and everything. It was very, we had this rush to win. We had this energy that we need to win, we need to prove something. Everyone knows what cold storage is, so we put grains in jute bags. But then it is not rodent free. It gets approximately 40% of the cultivation gets wasted, absolutely wasted, because it does not get a proper storage. So what we developed was a proper storage which was biodegradable, which was rodent free, and we made it using nanoparticles, and it was extracted from green coconut fiber. So it was biodegradable. It was a thought which wasn't used much, yes, as of now. Yeah.